What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the text notification sound not working issue on your Xiaomi phone. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here tap on sound and vibration. Now in sound and vibration scroll down and here tap on notifications and then tap on my account. Now tap on ringtones, and if you have don't set ringtone for notifications, then your notification will not make any sound. So to turn on the notification sound for text notifications, choose a sound that you want to use, then tap on apply and from the pop-up select notification. Now that sound will be selected as the notification sound. Now after doing this, the notification sound issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue while receiving the text notifications without sound, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button. Now swipe this circle downward, and when the circle gets green, then you can lift up your finger to restart your phone. Now after restarting your phone, the text notifications sound issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the text notifications sound not working issue on your Xiaomi phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.